Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Let's get started. Hope everyone has a good Sunday. I don't normally buy diecast stuff on Amazon, but if I want to get something quick, fast, in a hurry, Amazon is one of the choices. Alright, here's the box. 85058C 150th scale cat 365 356 instead of 365. That's a typo. Excavator. And yes, it is a core classic model. Here it is, and my battery is going dead. Alright, so let's hurry up before the camera shuts off. Here it is, metal tracks. Pretty cool. Alright, so I gotta show out the video and charge this battery. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time.